All-new Citroen C5 Aircross grows up with bold design, more space, and electric power. Citroën has taken the wraps off the next-generation C5 Aircross, and it's not just a facelift. It's a full-scale transformation, larger, bolder, and now available with electric power. For the first time, this family crossover is designed to make a serious impact in Europe's competitive SUV market. Built on Stellantis' cutting-edge STLA Medium platform, shared with the likes of the Peugeot 3008 and Vauxhall Grandland. The new C5 Aircross sits at the top of a refreshed Citroën lineup. It joins updated versions of the AMI, C3, and C4 in showcasing the brand's new direction. As previewed by last year's eye-catching concept at the Munich Motor Show, the production model retains its signature two-box silhouette, but with a stronger emphasis on aerodynamics for better efficiency. It's noticeably bigger too, 150 millimeters longer than its predecessor, with nearly all of the 60 millimeters wheelbase stretch dedicated to enhancing rear legroom. Inside, Citroën promises a cabin experience like no other, dubbing it the C-Zen Lounge. Think living room comfort on wheels. The dashboard is inspired by home furniture, featuring plush foam fabric panels and customizable ambient lighting in 8 different hues. At the center sits Citroën's largest ever touchscreen, a floating infotainment hub designed for intuitive use, even on the move. Comfort gets a major boost too. The upgraded advanced comfort seats feature soft lower cushioning and a shawl-like upper section that cradles passengers. Electrically adjustable bolsters add to the luxury feel. Rear passengers now enjoy more space than ever, with an extra 51 millimeters of knee room, 68 millimeters more headroom, and reclining seat backs for that first-class vibe. USB-C ports and cup holders in the rear console round out the family-friendly features. Practicality is up too. The boot now offers a massive 651 liters of space, more than a Nissan Qashqai, and expands to 1,668 liters with the rear seats folded. Plus, there's a handy 75-liter hidden compartment under the floor, perfect for stashing charging cables in the EV version. At launch, buyers will have 2 hybrid options. A mild hybrid, pairing a 1.2-liter petrol engine with a small electric motor, and a compact battery. A plug-in hybrid, PHEV, combining a 1.6-liter petrol engine with a 123 brake horsepower motor, for a combined 193 brake horsepower and an electric vehicle range of up to 53 miles, courtesy of a 21 kilowatt-hour battery fully electric. The C5 Aircross EV will be available with a 73 kilowatt-hour battery offering 323 miles of range, or a 97 kilowatt-hour battery delivering up to 422 miles, with either 207 brake horsepower or 227 brake horsepower motor options. While prices haven't been confirmed, Citroën has hinted that it'll undercut the Peugeot 3008, so expect a starting price under £35,000 for hybrids and around £40,000 for the EV. Deliveries are expected to begin in the second half of 2025.